you're feeding just yourself or a troop, figuring out what to eat can be tough. The good news is that meal planning in virtual times has become easier. You may not consider yourself a gourmet cook or a fine food aficionado, but what you eat and how you prepare food for yourself and your family is important for health. It can also help you and your family maintain a healthy weight, prevent chronic disease, and boost energy levels. Eating is one of the great pleasures of life and a key component of many of our social interactions. However, many of us consume more calories than what we actually need and not enough nutrients. The sad reality of the standard American diet has been a public health concern before COVID-19. Now we know how social isolation, access to food, mental health, and many other variables are involved in the recipe for wellness. The key to healthy eating is to consume a variety of foods in a balanced way, and that is according to your unique needs. It is easier than you may think. Start by focusing on consuming more real food, how you prepare it, and slow down. Sit down during meals. Meal planning, preparing and consuming more meals at home will save you money, will reduce waste, reduce stress, reduce temptations, and by default, be more nutritious. This practice puts you in control of portions, ingredients, and the hygiene of your kitchen. Meal kits, online grocery shopping, and meal delivery services have become much easier to access and to use. So start small and keep it simple. A healthy meal should be mostly plant-based. Change up protein sources, so less meat and poultry, more fish, nuts, seeds, beans, and even dairy. And limit adding salt, sugar, fat, or condiments with these ingredients. And if you have to do so, use a measuring spoon. Using apps to order chain food restaurant is easy. So challenge yourself to something different and better. Get out the kitchen appliances and try a new recipe this week. If you are concerned about having enough food, there are resources. You may qualify for a food assistance program such as SNAP, WIC, Meals on Wheels, or visit your local food program for more resources. Avoid hunger and mindless eating. Slow down, plan, and savor every bite.